If your meta ads suddenly start performing worse, it might not be your targeting or creative. It's because of Andromeda. Meta just released a new AI system that decides which ads get shown, and it completely changes how campaigns perform. Some brands are seeing plus 20% ROAS gains, and others watching their best campaigns crash with no explanation. Why? Because Andromeda changes how Meta's algorithm thinks. Before, you used to control the machine, now the machine controls the outcome. So in this video, I'm going to break down before Andromeda versus now, what's really happening behind the scenes, and how you can adapt before your ads stop working. Before Andromeda, Meta's ad engine was smart, but not contextually smart. It could target efficiently, but it did not truly understand why people clicked. It was like having a salesperson who memorized buying patterns, but never listened to the customer. Let's say you watched one gym reel. The old system goes, this person loves fitness. Next thing you know, you've hit with gym membership, protein powders, and fitness apps. But maybe you just watched it because your friend was in it. The old system did not understand intent. It only read behavior. And behind the curtain, things were even messier. Different parts of Meta's ad system worked separately. One part handled interests, another handled bids, another creatives. That means different ads competed against each other inside the same account. Let's take an example. Imagine a watch brand running multiple campaigns, one for luxury buyers and one for tech enthusiasts. Both end up bidding for the same person. That was the before Andromeda world. Fragmented, powerful, but inefficient. Now with Andromeda, Meta's new AI brain, it is important to understand it is not an upgrade. It's a full rebuild of how ad retrieval works. Andromeda uses deep neural networks powered by NVIDIA Grace Hopper superchip to process millions of ads in milliseconds. It doesn't just analyze what people do, it learns why they do it. So let's break down this transformation with real examples. The first one is from isolated models to unified intelligence. Before, Meta had multiple of disconnected systems making separate decisions. Now it's one end-to-end neural network decides everything from who to show, what to show, and when to show it. The same luxury watch brand we discussed. Now the algorithm knows the context. It understands that someone who's into luxury tech isn't just a techie. They are a status buyer with a taste for innovation. The system learns across signals, making every impression more intentional. The second one is from similar ads to understand human intent. Before you clicked on Nike ad, the system will show you more Nike ads. Now, after Andromeda, it tried to decode why you clicked. Is it because of design, comfort, or motivation? And shows you different brands or similar products based on that psychological driver. Let's say, for example, you clicked on Nike ad because it made you feel unstoppable. After Andromeda, Meta might show you a Gymshark motivational video or a Fitbit challenge. You see, different products, similar emotional intent. That's personalization on steroids. Third one is from slow scaling to hierarchical indexing. Before, Meta's system had to search millions of ads for every impression. It was slow and expensive. But now with Andromeda, it uses smart hierarchy, grouping ads like folders within folders. Let's say, for example, you have a skincare brand. Your ads don't compete with the entire platform anymore. They are organized into layers such as beauty, skincare, hydration, then relevant audiences. This hierarchy makes retrieval faster, cheaper, and much more accurate. The fourth point is about CPU and GPU. It's a little bit technical, but I'm going to explain what I understand about it. So before, every data request had to move between CPU and GPU. It was like emailing files between coworkers. Now, everything happening inside the same Grasshopper superchip. It's local, parallel, and instant. You launch an Advantage Plus campaign with 200 creative variation. Before, the system struggled to process them all. Now, it can evaluate all the creative simultaneously in GPU memory, cutting latency and optimizing delivery in real time. That's why some advertisers are seeing up to 22% better ROAS when they adapt Advantage Plus with the new retrieval engine. So, what do we do with this information? Here is how Andromeda changes your playbook. Number 1. Manual control is dead, but strategy isn't. You can't out-optimize Andromeda manually. You can't trick it with hacks or narrow targeting. Brands that still use micro-audience setups are being outperformed by those who go broad, letting Andromeda neural network find the best people. You don't fight the machine, you feed it. Feed it clean data, great creative variety, and clear signals. Number 2. Creativity and structure are the new edge. When everyone is using the same AI, your advantage is what you teach it. Let's say you have two brands. Brand A run 5 static ads, while brand B running 50 creative variation, each testing different tone, design, and storytelling. Same budget, same audience, but brand B's system learns 10 times faster and wins. Your creative is not just content anymore, it's training data. Number 3, profit first thinking. Andromeda is built for efficiency. It will happily drive you cheaper results that don't make you money unless you measure the right metric, such as POAS, not just ROAS. So POAS stands for profit on ad spend, while ROAS is just return on ad spend. Let's say you have two brands. The first one sees 5x ROAS and celebrates, while their margins dropped and their profits fell. While the second one is optimizing for POAS, trims waste, and feed Andromeda with better signals. They scale profitably, not emotionally. That's how smart marketeers survive this AI shift. So yeah, before Andromeda, Meta's ad system was smart but mechanical. But after Andromeda, it is intelligent, adaptive, and constantly learning. The old world was about control, while the new world is about collaboration. Humans designing strategy, while machines executing precision. And the marketeers who's going to win won't be the one shouting the algorithm changed again. They will be the one who understand how it thinks. Because in this new era, your performance does not depend on how well you manage campaigns. It depends on how well you manage intelligence. This is the new physics of performance marketing. Thank you for watching this far. If this helped you understand what's happening behind Meta's curtain, hit that subscribe button. Every week I'll break how performance marketing, AI, and business connect so you can always stay steps ahead. See you in the next one.